If you're at a place where you want to try something new with your intermittent fasting routine, I'm going to recommend that you try breaking your fast intentionally for the next week with a snack. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give you 4 things that you can consistently break your fast with to help you reach your weight loss goals. How does snacking or breaking your fast with a small meal help you to achieve your weight loss goals? Honestly, one of the reasons that intermittent fasting works so well for weight loss is because at the end of the day, intermittent fasting with a compressed eating window forces you into a calorie deficit. There are a lot of people out there that assume just because you are doing intermittent fasting, you can eat whatever you want. That is simply not the case. You can eat anything you want, you just can't eat everything you want. And if you eat too much of certain foods, or if you just eat too much during your feeding window, you're not going to lose weight the way that you want to. By having a snack right when you break your fast, it's gonna give you that little bit of food, that little bit of energy, so that you can make food decisions with a clearer mind. Have you ever heard don't go to the grocery store on an empty stomach? That's because if you do that, your cravings are going to take over and you're going to not necessarily make the best choices. So that's one of the huge reasons that I love breaking my fast with a snack, is I know if I go and sit down and eat a big meal to break my fast, I have gone anywhere from 18 to sometimes 22 hours without eating. Odds are that meal is going to be a little bigger than I need it to be. But when I break my fast with a snack, that fills me up so that I can decide what, and more importantly, how much I'm going to eat with a clear head. Now, the other thing that I like to do is I like to break my fast with a food that is high in proteins or fats. So when I have a lot of carbs early on in the day or right when I break my fast, I get that spike of insulin and I get that drop off, so I feel lethargic, tired. Now, I'm not against carbs. I eat plenty of carbs myself. I just try to have those towards the back end of my eating window. So I like to break my fast with a small snack that's higher in fats and proteins. And that's gonna do 2 things for me. It's going to prevent that carb crash, and it's gonna have me pick my next meal sensibly and reasonably. And here are 4 things that you can try that are really easy and really simple ways to break your fast. The first one is I just want you to have 1 to 2 servings of mixed nuts. That's a great thing because it doesn't need to be refrigerated. You can take it with you on the go. Another one is like a mini charcuterie. Let me know in the comments below how to say that. Spell it out phonetically. You can buy those mini charcuterie plates. Are almost like Lunchables. That's a good thing. It's got a little bit of meat, a little bit of cheese, or you can make your own. Another one is a ready to drink protein shake. Now, the downside of those is for them to be most enjoyable, they have to be kept cold. If you're gonna break your fast in your home, you can just grab one of those out of the refrigerator or bring a little cooler with you, but you can break your fast with a protein shake. And then finally, it's just some cheese sticks. Those are all really easy and simple ways to break your fast with a snack, so that you can eat more sensibly during your eating window. You are new to trying OMAD and are interested in getting my take on when is a good time to incorporate OMAD into your intermittent fasting schedule, I'm gonna leave a video on the screen now. Be sure to check that out. And remember, we're not looking to lose weight fast, we're looking to lose weight forever. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.